Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. A hexagonal lamina of sides 30 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners on VP and its surface inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with HP. The diagonal passing through that corner, which is in VP, is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Draw the projections of the lamina. So how to solve this problem? By using AutoCAD software. First we'll go to this solution. So here we need to have this, wherein this is the final solution. So we need to create this by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. So specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner take 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again you take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and go to the offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extend, zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet this vertical line and take this horizontal between this vertical and horizontal and this vertical and this vertical and this horizontal. Now we will go for layer. So here we need to have XY, front view, top view and projector lines and also apparent inclination. So we need to find the locus. So to do that, so first we'll go for the layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY and again click on new, type the layer by name front view FV, then click on new, type the layer by name top view TV and click on new, type the layer by name locus. Now we go for layer 0, always contains the projector line being 0.05. So layer 0 should contain 0.05. Then the layer XY should have 0.13 because line XY will have 0.13. Front view lines will always have 0.5. So layer 0 will have, front view will have 0.5. Similarly, layer top view will going to have again 0.5 and say you click on OK. And the locus line will also have 0.05. Then the line type of locus should have continuous. So dash dot. So under line type of continuous in locus, you just click on continuous. Click on load, select this and mark this as dash dot and say OK. Click on dash dot and say OK. Now it has been changed. Then top view will going to have magenta color, OK, and the front view will going to have blue color and say OK and then finally close. Now we will go for the polygon command. So to do that, command is polygon, command is POL. Take the number of sides as 6. So take the edge option. Take the distance as 30 mm. So you take 30. Then go to line and select some distance and draw the horizontal line. And then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, similarly between these two. Then go to line. So you select this line, select this layer, make this layer as front view and then you just go to this and go to layer, make that layer as top view. Once you do that, then go to break, select this, take first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then go to break, first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now you just click over this and take the layer display. Now you need to change this to a line, take INT of this and you copy this here and similarly take line INT of this and take on this side. So go to copy, select this entire thing and go to INT and from here take nearest point on this. Once you do that, so you're going to get this, then you rotate this by an angle of 30 degrees. Then go to rotate, select this entire thing, take end point of this, then take rotation angle as -30. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line, take line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to front view, in fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. And then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Then similarly, take line int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break this line, first point, take break, take undo, then break, select this, first point, take int of this and say @ Then break, first point, take int of this and say @. Then break, first point, take int of this and say @. Then break, first point, take int of this and say @. Then break, first point, so you select this and say @. Now you select all these 6 lines and change that layer to front view. Once you do that, you select, go to break, select this, first point, take int of this and say @. Now we need to go to DDIM. So you just go to modify, select primary units precision as up to second decimal point, and then go to text, take text height as 3, align with the dimension line. Text placement is above and offset from the dimension as 3, and symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now you just go to move and select this entire drawing and move it down, and then go to dim and take intersection point of this and take int of this, so you're going to get 60, and again go to int of this and take int of this, so you will going to get it as 51.96. so you just zoom in and see, so you're going to have 51.96. so now we need to find out the alpha inclination. So to do that, first we'll go to the line, take nearest point, and the angle what you need to draw is at the rate, you take 100 less than 45, then go to circle, take nearest point and take the radius as 60. So then go to break, select this and break this here, and you select this, and then go to erase, then go to trim, select this and trim this, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and go to circle, take center point of this, and the radius is 51.96. then go to break this till here, and you break this line till here, then go to erase all these things. Once you do that, then you just go to copy, select this entire drawing, and then remove this from this selection, then go to intersection point of this, and then go to center of this. So now we have this line. Now this horizontal line which was here has to be rotated on this alpha inclination line. So to do that, then go to rotate, select this entire drawing, that is entire sketch, then go to base point, intersection, then go to the reference, specify reference angle as 0, and take the new angle as int of this line. So we are giving the orientation, then go to extend this line, this XY line till to this boundary, so this is the boundary edge, then go to line and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So we got this. Then similarly go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and you take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, so go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two lines. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int and take int and say close. Then go to break this line till here. So now you change these 6 lines and make this layer as X, that is the top view. Then you just click over this and click over this and click over this and change that layer to XY. And now you just break this line till here, and now you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as locus layer and change the line weight as 5. So once you do that, so you're going to get the locus line type. Now we need to go for the dimensioning. So to do that, so go to DDIM, then go to modify, go to primary units, make it 0 and say OK and say close. So now you just go to dim and take intersection point of this and take int of this, and so the distance is 30. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you're going to get 30. Then again you go to angular, select between these two, so you are going to get it as 45 degree. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you're going to get texture. So here you just go to erase, then go to dim, go to angular, select between this line and this line, so go to text, give space and say enter. Once you do that, so go to dim TED, so go to dim TED, select this and you make this as 30 degrees. So you take this as 45 degree and you bring this down. So once you do that, then you just go to D-text tab. So put out the caps lock, then go to zoom previous. So you just go to move, select this entire drawing, and here go to break this line till here and go to D-text, take the text height as 3 and you mark this as X and you mark this as VP and you mark this as HP and this as Y and this as A dash, sorry. Go to A dash and this as B dash and this as C dash and this as D dash and this as E dash and this as F dash and this as capital A, sorry, A, B, C and D. Here this as E in bracket and this as F in bracket. Once you do that, then go to zoom window to bring it near to the screen. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode and move this Y. Similarly X, similarly VP and similarly HP. Then A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then F dash. Here it is A, here it is B, here it is C, here it is D, here it is E, here it is F. Once you do that, so you just select this and HP, go to layer, make that layer as top view. So you just click on VP, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then go to copy. So sorry, go to copy, select A, copy this A and this B and this F and this C and this E and this D, then A dash, that A dash will come here, this B dash, this B dash will come here, and this C dash, and that C dash will go there. Similarly D dash, this D dash will come here, and this D dash will be here. Then go to E dash, this E dash will be here, and this is F dash, and this F dash will be here, and this F dash will come here. Then go to D text, you mark this as A, and you mark this as B, C, D, E, and F. Then go to move, so you take A, and you take B, you take C, you take D, you take E, you take F. Once you do that, so go to A, B, F, C, D, E, go to layer, make that layer as top view. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing, and here you just go to M text. So you click on this and go to formatting, go to symbol. So select the symbol and type small letter E all. Once you do that, then go to zoom previous. So this is zoom window, and this is your final solution how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. So this will be the final solution. Thank you.